Hello there, my amazing, wonderful, beautiful YouTubers. This is Rainbow Heart. Depending upon where you live upon this amazing, wonderful, beautiful planet of ours, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Today I'm coming at you with a unboxing video. I wonder what's in here. What am I gonna get? What am I gonna get? The reason why some of it kind of looks a little bit cattywampus is because I yes, I pre-opened the box, but I also kind of cut off some of the pieces that had addresses and names and stuff on it. I did because I tried so hard to get all of the stick-em off that actually had names and addresses and so on and so forth, because I have to protect other people's identities as well as my own, because it's nobody else's business but my own as to where I live currently. So, without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's get this showboat on the rowboat. Ooh, let's get these off of here first. These are very special, and they are coming from my adopted sister. I'm excited and jazzed. Ooh, bubble wrap. I'm sorry, but I had to pop a few. Don't ask why, it's just so soothing to pop bubble wrap. Pop, 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 pop. Pop, pop, pop. Pop, pop, pop. Pop, pop, pop. It sounds like your knuckles are popping when you're popping the bigger bubble wrap versus the littler ones. Ooh, what is all up in here? Ooh, I love the little Tokidoki little wrapping paper that she used. See, this is why we recycle, peeps. Ooh. Now what is this, pray tell? Look up, look up. What a cute little bag. Just for you. Aww. I need to carefully open this up because I want to keep this bag. This bag is cute. It's got little teddy bears on it, and I love sweet little adorable things. Like teddy bears and stuff. I love all little things. Now what's this? Oh, look at that. It's a cute, adorable little hat with two little apples and what looks like a little bottle. That is too cute for words. I am going to set that right up here on my little art book so it's out of the way. And what else do we have in here in this little bag? Ooh, what a cute little sign. It says Princess Serenity. I love this. I'm going to be keeping all of my little things in here so they don't go missing when I'm done getting them all out and showing them all off. Ooh, it looks like a little Deviloop tail. I think these might be some of the little extra pieces that go to some of whatever's in here. I would like to think that anyway. And what have we got here? Ooh, a little sign that says Luna. I like that. I like these little signs. They're so darling. I'm not going to just dump it out. Another little sign that says Black Lady. Ooh. It's another one that's going up there. Let's go over here. And I'm definitely going to be recycling the little tissue paper. See, this is exactly why people tell you to recycle your stuff all the time, because you never know just when you're going to actually need them for anything, whether it's packaging something up and sending it off to somebody else or whatever have you. Ooh, there's a little stand. Teeny little stand. I like that. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Look at this, you guys. It's a tiny little picnic basket. Aww. That's so cute. Which does not like to sit up properly, which is fine. Okay, and then that's going to go right there. I'm going to resituate that later. There's nothing else in the little bag. Ooh, I love this little mesh little gift bag. I can actually recycle this and actually put some potpourri in that. And yes, I have made potpourri before, and I'm quite proud of it, honestly. Let's see what is in this little teeny weeny tissue paper. What am I gonna get? What am I gonna get? Oh, she's so pretty. Oh, I love her. Princess Serenity. I love the graphics and the details and everything on her. Oh my gosh. She looks completely perfect. I love her. Again, going to recycle the tissue paper. Because again, you never know what you're going to need it for. And let's see what's inside of this tissue paper. Aw, I don't know who this little cutie pie is, but she's adorable. She's got little pigtails. And she's wearing a little bikini, bathing suit kind of thing. She's wearing a little bathing suit, not a bikini. It's one piece. She's got a little beach bag. And she looks so happy. I think she's the one that actually is supposed to be for where that stand is supposed to go to. I love her. She's so darling. And before anybody asks, yes, I do get instantaneously attached to certain new things that I end up getting. I do because I love the stuff that I get. Oh no! Oh Jesus, I'm gonna have to let her know. Oh gosh. Now I can fix this, but her head broke off during travel. Oh, geez. The little picture that was shown with her. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, look at that. I don't know who this character's supposed to be, but her head broke off. Ugh. I have super glue. I can fix it. It's just really heart-wrenching to see something like that, you know. Oh, I'm gonna have to let her know that one of these got damaged. I'll link her to my video so she can see for herself that, you know, I did this up as an unboxing so she can see everything that had made it over safely and, you know, if anything got damaged or whatever. What am I gonna get? What am I gonna get? Ooh. Now I know where that sign goes to. For Black Lady. It's another little Sailor Moon little figurine. I love the detail and everything with her. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. You guys, I love this. Gonna take a brief intermission here. And I have returned. Phew. Now let's see. What's going to be in this one? What am I gonna get? What am I gonna get? Ooh, it's Luna inside of her little human form. Again, I love the detail of these characters. They are so cute and amazing. I just love these. Carefully set her up there. Gonna reuse the tissue paper and this little bag. Now, let's see what's in this tissue paper. Oop. Ooh. I think she's the one that... Yep, that's where the devil tail goes, right on her butt. I'm going to make sure to put the devil tail back on her, and I just like her a lot. I don't know who she is, but I like her. Had to take another brief intermission. Now let's see what's in this tissue paper. Ooh, what a pretty stand. And it's got little apples on it. I love apples. Anything apple themed, I love. Now let's see what else we've got. Getting to the very tail end of all of this here. Oh, she's so pretty. Remove the tissue paper. I think she's the one that actually has the little basket. Yeah, that would go right behind her and stuff. And she goes on the little base that I have now for her. She's so pretty. I love my little figurines. And let's see what I got here. I got a little letter. Aww. Oh, she threw in a little bonus manga. Thank you, Ceci. I greatly appreciate it. And the manga is called Happy Lesson. Mama Teacher is Wonderful. Huh. I've never heard of this series before, so it looks like I got something new to actually read. Come to think of it, on the back, it looks like that's where my blue-haired character comes from. Oh, it looks like I'm going to have to make sure that I find all of these then. Well, I do greatly appreciate every last little thing. I'm going to link my adopted sister to my little video so she could see that one of the items kind of broke in shipping. I know that's not her fault at all. I can fix it. It's just, you know, it's just kind of unnerving to know that it is even remotely damaged at all. But again, I do not fault her for it at all. It's not her fault. Anyway, that's my unboxing video, you guys. This is Rainbow Heart. Signing out, y'all. Peace!